wondered if your smartphone knows you better than your best friend? Or if your favorite streaming service is secretly judging your taste in movies? Well, it's not magic, it's artificial intelligence, or AI. But what exactly is AI, and why should you care? Stick around, and we'll unravel this mystery together. Let's start the video. What is artificial intelligence? Ever wondered why your phone seems to know you better than your best friend? Or why Netflix always seems to pick that exact movie you've been secretly craving? That's not luck, it's artificial intelligence, or AI. At its heart, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. Think of it as teaching a computer to think, learn, and make decisions, almost like a very obedient, slightly nerdy human that never sleeps. From recognizing your voice commands to recommending your next binge-worthy series, AI is the invisible hand quietly guiding many of your daily interactions with technology, sometimes more efficiently than you yourself. But what does that really mean? Imagine teaching a toddler to recognize cats and dogs. But instead of crayons and snacks, you feed the computer terabytes of data. That's AI learning at its core. Analyzing patterns, understanding them, and applying that knowledge in real time. It's like having a brainy intern who never complains, never sleeps, and always remembers exactly what you told them last week. The evolution of AI, from fiction to reality. Remember when AI was just a sci-fi fantasy? When you pictured it, it was either a robot taking over the world or a helpful sidekick like Jarvis from Iron Man. Fast forward to today, and AI is not science fiction, it's very real, and it's everywhere. Healthcare, finance, entertainment, transportation, you name it, AI is quietly reshaping it. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases faster and more accurately than ever before. Imagine a radiologist reviewing hundreds of scans in minutes with AI highlighting what needs attention. It's like having Sherlock Holmes inside an MRI machine, solving medical mysteries. In finance, AI algorithms detect fraudulent activities, manage investments, and offer personalized banking advice. No more awkward phone calls from your bank asking if that $2,000 purchase in Bali was you. AI has your back, assuming it isn't programmed to judge your shopping habits. In entertainment, AI is the silent curator of your free time. Netflix, Spotify, and TikTok rely on AI to predict what you'll love next. Honestly, it's a little scary how it knows your guilty pleasures before even you do. And in transportation, AI powers autonomous vehicles, traffic management systems, and ride-sharing apps. Self-driving cars aren't just a futuristic concept. They're zipping around today, relying on AI to make real-time decisions and, let's hope, avoiding hitting every pothole in the city. These examples show that AI is not just theoretical, it's actively shaping our lives. And the more you notice it, the more you realize you are living in an AI-driven world, whether you like it or not. How does AI work? Now that we're intrigued, the next question is, how does AI actually function? AI operates through algorithms, step-by-step instructions for solving problems, and models that process massive amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions. In other words, it's like giving a detective an infinite amount of case files and saying, find the connection. The more data AI processes, the smarter and more accurate it becomes, continuously refining its intuition over time. Machine learning, a key subset of AI, allows systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning takes it a step further, using neural networks to mimic the structure of the human brain, enabling tasks like recognizing images, understanding speech, and even generating text. These networks can identify subtle patterns humans might miss, unlocking capabilities that feel almost magical. Basically, it's a digital brain, but without coffee breaks or existential crises. Think of AI like teaching a dog new tricks. At first, it might struggle, but with practice and repetition, it learns to fetch the newspaper, roll over, and maybe even understand sarcasm. Well, almost. The difference is, AI can process millions of tricks at once and never forgets them. And unlike a human, it never gets tired, distracted, or overwhelmed, constantly analyzing, learning, and improving behind the scenes. Real-world applications of AI. AI isn't just theory, it's actively shaping our everyday life. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use AI to understand your commands and respond intelligently. Ever asked Alexa to play a song, and it nailed your obscure 90s favorite? That's AI at work. Recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube are powered by AI. They track your choices, analyze your preferences, and suggest what you might enjoy next, basically acting as your overly enthusiastic best friend who always knows what you'll like. Autonomous vehicles are another example. These self-driving cars rely on AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions. They're like a hyper-focused chauffeur who never needs sleep and doesn't mind your terrible playlist. Even customer service has embraced AI. Chatbots handle inquiries, solve problems, and guide users so you can get help without waiting on hold while listening to that endless loop of elevator music. These applications illustrate AI's versatility and its increasing presence in daily life. And as the technology improves, it's only going to become more sophisticated, more intuitive, and yes, sometimes eerily prescient. The ethics of AI. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, ethical considerations become paramount. Data privacy is a major concern. After all, AI works by analyzing huge amounts of personal information. Algorithmic bias is another issue. If AI is trained on biased data, it can perpetuate unfair outcomes. Job displacement is a real fear too. While AI creates new opportunities, it also automates tasks that humans used to do. The key is finding balance, using AI to augment human capability, not replace it. Transparency, fairness, and accountability must guide AI development. After all, we want AI to be the helpful intern who improves our work-life balance, not the office overlord plotting to replace us. The future of AI. The possibilities for AI in the future are boundless. Imagine highly personalized healthcare where treatments are perfectly tailored to your DNA, or smart cities where traffic lights, waste management, and energy systems are optimized in real time. Picture human-computer interactions that are seamless and intuitive, your digital assistant anticipating your needs before you even say a word. However, we must proceed cautiously. Ethical standards need to keep pace with technological progress to ensure AI benefits everyone. The future should be one where humans and AI collaborate harmoniously, not one where humans are constantly competing with their smart toaster for attention. Leading tech companies are already investing billions in AI. OpenAI has partnered with Broadcom to develop custom AI chips to improve the performance of applications like ChatGPT and Sora. Microsoft has launched MAI Image One, a fully in-house developed text-to-image model, now ranked among the top 10 on LM Arena. Google has committed $15 billion to establishing its largest AI hub outside the US, located in Visakhapatnam, India. These investments demonstrate the sheer scale and ambition of AI development worldwide. International organizations like the IMF have raised concerns about regulation and ethics. Countries need robust frameworks to handle AI responsibly, ensuring fairness, transparency, and equitable access. Without careful oversight, AI could exacerbate inequalities or create unintended consequences. The creative frontier. Here's a fun twist. AI isn't just practical, it's creative. Writers, marketers, and content creators are increasingly using AI to generate ideas, draft scripts, and even produce visuals. AI tools can brainstorm ideas, rewrite paragraphs, or suggest improvements, helping creators work faster and more efficiently. It's like having a co-author who never steals your thunder or eats your snacks. Even music and digital art are being revolutionized by AI. Composers can experiment with AI to generate melodies, while visual artists can create stunning artwork with AI-assisted tools. The key point? AI is not replacing human creativity, it amplifies it. Humans bring emotion, storytelling, and nuance. AI brings speed, scale, and precision. Together, they make a formidable creative duo. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream. It's a present-day reality influencing various facets of our lives. By understanding its workings and implications, we can better navigate the AI-driven future ahead. So, the next time your phone suggests a song you love or your car warns you about traffic, remember, it's not magic, it's AI at work. If you found this dive into AI fascinating, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech insights. Share your thoughts or your favorite AI moment in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't go anywhere, your next adventure into the future starts with the video right here.